A beginner guides to the OpenAI hands-on tutorials and best practices. This tutorial introduces you to the OpenAI API. Its use causes a hands-on approach to using the API and all the best practices to follow. With the release of ChatGPT, there has been a lot of hype about artificial intelligence and its applications all around the world, especially amongst non-technical senior businesses stakeholders. All businesses want to make use of the technology they experienced in ChatGPT, tailored to their industries and their growth. But how can we achieve that? The answer is straightforward. Businesses can use the rapidly evolving OpenAI API bullet and made available by the makers of ChatGPT to create a customized solutions tailored to the business's needs. Beginners, data scientists, and machine learning practitioners, we know that OpenAI has been around for a while, even before the ChatGPT hype. But most of us were not using them to solve businesses problems in the industry. With all the progress in recent times, it's more important than ever to understand the API comprehensively. In this videos, we will do just that: introduce OpenAI and its API, go hands-on from creating an OpenAI account to using the API to get responses, and discuss best practices when using the API to provide a comprehensive overview of the OpenAI API. Interested to see the OpenAI API in actions? Check out our code along on building chatbots with OpenAI API and Pincon. An overview of OpenAI and its API. OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company working on the missions of ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. The company was founded as a non-profit in 2015 with the founding team including the like of Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Through the years, OpenAI has transitions from its non-profit beginnings towards a more diversified model to fulfill its mission with partnership with tech giants such as Microsoft. What is OpenAI API? OpenAI API application programming interface serves as a bridge to OpenAI's powerful machine learning models, allowing you to integrate cutting-edge AI capabilities into your projects with relative. In simple terms, the API is like a helper that lets you use OpenAI smart program in your projects. For example, you can add cool features like understanding and creating text without having to know all the nitty-gritty details of the underlying models.